Hey YouTube. Then I'm going to show you how to replace the hood latch mechanism on a 2008 Pontiac 5. I went ahead and ordered the hood latch for a 2008 Corolla. Looks like it's just 3 bolts, so hopefully this goes pretty quick. Alright, here I am on another day doing this again, since the one I ordered from Amazon originally was seized. This one I ordered from eBay, and this lines up a lot better. The latch that holds the hood down that you have to release to open it, this is actually matching this instead of bent over like the one that I got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and do this again. So there's a little bead at the end of the cable that you have to snake out of this hole. Like that. Use some fine needle nose pliers. Then you gotta pop it off this mount, like that. Put the new one in. Ball first. It's hard to show on camera, but this is not really that hard. Just trying not to block the camera. Oh. There we go. So there is a possibility of once this locks down, I won't be able to release it again. My cable looks pretty stretched, and the spring on this new one is going to be a lot stronger than the spring on my old one. Alright, new latch is in place. Let's go ahead and give it a test. Alright, latch lines up perfectly. Holds it. Let's see. Ah, alright. Now if we can get it open again. Alright, no more embarrassment at the oil change place. Thanks for watching.